What's going on, guys? Reaper here, and welcome to the second episode of converting a 1950 Willys CJ3A into a military M38 clone. So in this episode we're going to work on getting the tub off of the frame, but first, before I can do that, I've got to drag the Jeep onto level ground and finish removing some various bits and pieces that I probably should have done in the last episode, but oh well. Everything's definitely locked up.
Nah, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need to
Yeah, we'll see how that one works out.
keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built.
Have to cut that one off. You know, I'm only the second episode into this build, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be my catchphrase, and that's never that easy.
Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
You know, what are the odds that the first one of these I would try would actually fit? That never happens. Honestly, I didn't expect that to be that easy. It's never that easy. I literally just spent probably about the past hour looking for my steering wheel puller just to find out that all the parts for it are missing. So, I guess I'm just going to cut the steering wheel off right along the coupler, because this thing is beyond stuck. I've been beating it off and on with a 4-pound hammer past 20-30 minutes. Screw that, man.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Anyway, a bit unconventional, but it worked, and I'm impatient, so.
Brave, to the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, so I can seriously say that we definitely underestimated the number of actual bolts holding this tub to the frame, which wound up being a super major pain in our... Gonna go through and finish removing wires and all that crap to go ahead and get this thing ready to come off the frame. Alright guys, so it has literally been an all-day affair getting the tub and everything ready to come off of the frame. So we literally got the fenders off, all the body mounts off, and just wheels, you name it. We kind of went full shebang and really needed to get all of that done today, since tomorrow my good buddy's coming over to help us get the tub off of the frame. And we went ahead and decided, since he's already going to be out here and getting the tub off, we're also going to go ahead and pull the engine. So that, guys, will be episode number 3. But check this out, man. This is what everything looks like now that we've gotten all this stuff off the Jeep. So as you guys can tell, looking pretty bare minimum, and that's what we wanted. We wanted this this tub to be as light as possible to help get it off the frame, since it's only going to be, I think, like 3 of us pulling it, which shouldn't be an issue, but we'll see. It is still pretty heavy, and of course getting it pulled and off around the steering column. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. But so until episode number 3, where we pull the tub and the engine, which should be a pretty interesting episode itself. As always, guys, stay frosty, ride or die, Reaper out.